In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expertly combine shapes using Boolean operations in your favorite design software. Whether you're crafting a complex design or just need to tidy up your vector work, mastering these techniques will surely enhance your workflow and improve your creative projects. Let's dive in and explore how to make this process as smooth as possible. First, let's talk about creating or drawing the shapes you want to combine. This could be anything from simple geometrical patterns to more intricate designs crafted from multiple components. The key here is to ensure your base shapes are exactly as you'd like them before you start merging them. Once you've crafted or placed your desired shapes on your canvas, it's time to gather them for combination. To do this, you'll need to select all the shapes you wish to merge. You can easily achieve this by using the Move tool, which you can quickly activate by pressing the shortcut V on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can manually select each shape by clicking on their respective layers in the Layers panel. This selection process is crucial as it defines which shapes will be affected by the Boolean operations. Now that you have your shapes selected, it's time to locate the Boolean operation icons. You can find these in the toolbar, and in most design software, they're also accessible via the Layer menu, specifically under the Geometry submenu. The main Boolean operations you'll typically work with are add, subtract, intersect, XOR, and divide. Each of these operations serves a different function, allowing for creative flexibility and control over your designs. Let's focus first on merging shapes into one unified element. For this, we'll use the add, commonly referred to as union, operation. Performing this operation combines all selected shapes into a single, cohesive object. This is particularly useful when you want to simplify your design by reducing the complexity of numerous overlapping shapes into one tidy entity. Here's a valuable tip for those of you who want to keep your options open for future edits. If you wish to maintain the ability to edit the individual shapes even after merging, consider holding down Alt if you're on a Windows machine or Option if you're using a Mac. This allows you to apply the Boolean operation in a non-destructive manner, creating what is known as a compound shape. This way, your original shapes remain intact and editable within the new compound form, providing maximum flexibility. After merging, you might want extra control over the shape's geometry. In that case, you can convert your new shape to curves. This is done through the Layer menu by selecting Convert to Curves. This process allows for full node-level editing, offering you the freedom to fine-tune the details to perfection. Don't forget to adjust the fill, stroke, and nodes as needed, tailoring the merged shape to fit your design precisely. And there you have it. Using Boolean operations to merge shapes offers a powerful tool for graphic design, providing both streamlined visual elements and future editing flexibility.